What's Brandon here? Today I'm back again with some videos, and I am with Zach, and we're starting out Captain Zach. Anyway, we got attacked by these boats over here, and I was forced to shoot them. So that's the bad thing about it. Zach was like, "Really? Come on, they was hostile. All right, they was really hostile." It's like Captain Zach got his own boat, and I'm going to be following him here. Go. No, I think we're boat fighting now. I don't know. Actually, what I want to do is like him keep like trying to drive, and me would like come on the left side and like stop driving for a bit, and then I was gonna jump on his boat. Anyway, let me actually turn it around here. That's me beating him. Zach just beat the horn. Anyway, selling ain't really that much interesting until you hit a huge wave. Yep. I think he's going for the jet skis. No, he's going for that boat right there. Yes, he is going for it. Don't tell me he's getting on the red. Oh, come on. He's getting on the red one. Alright, I'm finna get on the yellow one for Golden Skull. Really, Zach? Oh, dang, I think he's trying to bomb me. I'm gonna play like this, huh, Zach? Bomb throwing! Huh. I think he's trying to shoot me now. A little pistol warfare. Never hurt anyone. What I just said was stupid. I won't let Zach get away with this. I'll make sure I use my my less strongest pistol. Zach, if you're watching this, you suck. I'm just kidding. Of course, I'm not going to immediately aim for him. Is that Merryweather? Oh snap! You caught a Merryweather helicopter on me. That explains a lot. He brought me out here to kill me. I know exactly what I'm gonna do. Oh my god. Alright. Guess it just happened. Alright. That's insulting. Alright guys, I'm gonna be starting a new series on GTA. It's gonna be two series. It's gonna be a heist series, and it's gonna be what you call it, a carjacking series. Now, of course, the carjacking series is gonna go a lot faster than the heist series, because the heist series takes a lot of planning beforehand for the video, takes a lot of editing, takes a lot of getting people to stay with you, and takes a lot of getting the right people. Also, I did want to tell you guys something during the video. Whatever. Anyway, it is one spot on YouTube. You you guys probably already know this, but there is a spot at the airport that you do not know about. I think you don't. If you do, sorry, but if you don't, all right. Anyway, as you can see, you probably can't see it, but I've marked it on the map. Now I'm gonna head to it. Now I remember we was up in this. So look, me and Zach was kind of having, I don't know what the heck we was doing, but we were just hanging out, alright? And my brother was like, "Is that a hallway?" No, I was like, "A hallway?" Yeah, yeah, over there. So now I started walking and walking, and I finally found the hallway because I was actually getting chased by the cops, and I was running down this hallway away from the cops, and I ran around here. Oh yes, this is a good place to hide. And I was like, I didn't actually bump into there. I hit like that, and I was like, wait a minute. The screen automatically turned to there. I was like, whoa, that door just wiggled. And I was like, what? You can get head up in here? And then since I was a little bit hurt from the gunshots and everything, gunshot wounds, I got me a little soda, you know. That's how your boy do. No, I actually did drink a little bit of soda, and then went out this way. Did a little bit of adventuring. Now I came out this way. Me, I didn't know about that at all. Alright, I didn't know about that at all. And I'm gonna go like, have that been there the whole time? Because if it has, I am a complete dummy. So, since I've showed you guys that, yeah, maybe you can go take a look at it, do whatever you want with it. Pretend like you're a worker and start a series of your own YouTube channel. And I don't really know. I'm not gonna steal the idea since I just came up with it. That should have been serious. Anyway, did Zach just get a helicopter? Alright. Let's head over here so Zach can see what he's doing. And if Zach kills me with the helicopter, you know he's a jerk. If he doesn't, he's not. So much of a jerk. Now I think about it's kind of loud. I turned up the volume really to see if Zach was gonna talk. I swear that buzz is still open. Oh my gosh! I thought he was gonna run me over. I guess I'll just follow him for now. Sorry, I was in deep thought for a second. Couple of seconds. Uh-oh. I think he got the cops on him. Let's go, Zach! Oh, he doesn't. Oh, he's good. I equipped my clip and everything. I was gonna let it loose on him. Then it turned into an instant action-packed video. And it was with MW, M1W, M1, something. It was Zach's friend. I never get to send that guy a friend request. And we played Minecraft together. We played GTA together. And we played Minecraft together twice. Played GTA together twice. One of these days, I am going to send him a friend request. Because he's not a bad guy. Now, throughout me and Zach was hanging out, I think we had a little bit of warfare. I kept killing him. I kept calling mercenaries on him. I think the only thing I didn't do to him was call a mugger on him. And that's because, Zach, I don't want to steal your money. And I'm, as you know, 60 millionaire. I'm not at $77 million. What happened to that? What happened to that $17 million? Whatever. Anyway, why are we in a hood type area? People around here really don't like me. Because there's been a lot of shootings. And let's say they seen the guy with a green cap on. If you notice, my guy has a green cap on. Probably not right now since I'm in a helicopter. But when Zach lands or something, you're going to see my character have a green cap on. Oh, dang, Zach. Sheesh, man. Oh, he wants me to rob it. Okay. See, my character does have an orange cap on. Alright. Give me all the money. Give me all the freaking money. Right now. Right now. I am not coming down. Give me the freaking money. I am not coming down for none. Thanks, man. You didn't hurry up enough. Oh, Shut, cops around the corner. Let's go, Zach. Let's go. Watch. Let's get out of here. Are we still lifting off? Let's go, Zach. Hang on. Give me 1 second here. Alright, we're back. And, I'm pretty sure we're getting shot down by the police. How are these SWAT guys such a good shot? Ow. Come on. The game ain't letting me shoot. Why aren't you letting me shoot, game? It's obvious that I have my gun up. Oh yeah, need to give the cash to that. 100% since I really don't need $5,000. Wait, $5,000. I've never got $5,000 from robbing a corner store. I always got like $1,337. I never got that much money. Money. Ow. Shut up. Alright, I finished out the charge on here just in case the cops get a little bit shiesty on me. I know Shockwave is going to be pretty dang big, so I'm gonna wait until we lift off. Alright, let me get the cash. Let's do this. Actually, let me see what I can give. Yeah, I'm gonna buy something. Alright, I'm gonna give my cash back. You better go faster. That better not be the fastest you can go. Now. Thank you. And just because you said that, I'm not going to kill you. Alright, let's go. That's the first time I ever robbed a corner store without killing anybody. Wait for it. Now. Oh! Instant. Sure, when he said the cops was fully inside the drawer, but that's alright. We still got what we needed. Look, this time I got like $1,433. This time I'll call the cops over this. Well, you got 2 stars for robbing a corner store and blowing up the whole gas station?
I take it this isn't a social call. I take it this isn't purely a social call. Of course not. You're in trouble and you need my help. No problem.
Hey guys, very good news. If you haven't checked my Instagram is my name, Woodsbury Gamer. And I did make a new post about me actually upgrading to a PC, changing my whole thing. And I am going to be doing it professionally. I'm going to have GTA on PC. And I'm going to have Roblox on PC. I already have Roblox on PC, actually. So anyway, guys, this is going to conclude for this video. Please make sure you like, subscribe to me, and subscribe to Zach. See you guys in another video. Love you.